Hello, this is Lewis Moore, and I'm introducing my final for the edX CS50 Introduction to Python class. We will start with a directory listing and type out the requirements.txt, demonstrate that we can in fact run some PyTests, and then we'll launch into the application. Hailing from Adams County, Colorado, in the United States, this is an application for stable managers to estimate the quantity of feed they will need for a population of horses. Starting with the feed section of the application, you can list, add, edit, and delete hay or loads of hay. When you do an add or an edit anyway, there's a call and response process, some of it menu driven for entering the attributes for a given load of hay. And we're going to be interested in things like how heavy each bale is, how much the entire load is, how much we paid for this load, and that sort of thing. Also in the feed menu are a back function and a help function, and help is nicely done because we're using the rich library for our screen handling, and it allows you to do a reasonable facsimile of showing markdown on a screen. The next section will be the horse section. And again, with horses, you can list, add, edit, delete, and they basically follow the same pattern as the feed menu. But for horses, there is one additional interesting function, and that is the birthday. Horses, for our purposes, have a birthday of January 1, and the birthday function allows you to increment everybody's age by 1 and make the right adjustments for colt, filly, gelding, and so on. Persistence for the horse and feed objects was done using shelf. Having the data on hand sets us up for reporting, which is the business end of the application. We use two templates. The first one demonstrated is Jinja 2, and the second is a regular terminal using tables from the rich library, which is absolutely lovely to work with. The readme.md and the code are listed in an appendix, and you should be able to find a link for that listed above if you really like to read 20 minutes of code.